In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a space in Wrike. Whether you're looking to tidy up your workspace or resolve an accidental creation, removing an unneeded space in Wrike is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step to make sure everything is clear and easy to follow. First, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Head over to the Wrike login page, enter your credentials, and you'll be directed to your dashboard. Now that you're in, let's move on to accessing the space you wish to delete. Take a look at the left sidebar of your Wrike dashboard. This is where all your spaces are neatly organized. Scroll through this list to locate the specific space that you want to remove. Once you've found it, simply click on its name to open it up. For example, common spaces might include marketing, development, or HR, depending on your specific organizational setup. Next, we need to open the settings for this space. Keep your eyes on the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see either a gear icon or a three-dot menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for an option labeled as Space Settings or perhaps Edit Space. Click on this option to proceed to the settings page. Now that you're in the space settings, we're getting closer to our goal. Scroll down this page until you find the option to delete the space. You're looking for a button or link titled Delete Space. Go ahead and click it. At this point, Wrike will display a confirmation warning. This is an important step as it helps prevent accidental deletions. Take a moment here to review the warning message carefully. This is your chance to double check that you're about to delete the right space. And understand that this action is irreversible. If you're sure about your decision, click on the Delete button to finalize the process. With that click, the space will be removed from your workspace. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a space in Wrike, streamlining your workspace to better fit your current needs. By following these steps, you can always manage your Wrike spaces with ease, ensuring your platform remains as organized and effective as possible. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Wrike efficiently.